Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can convert a document like a Word, Docs or PDF document on CloudConvert into a PPTX presentation. So let us dive into this. Start by navigating to CloudConvert and by logging into your account. After that, hover your mouse over Tools. And here guys, choose the presentation converter, right? So what you want to do next is click into select file here, and after that you will be given the opportunity to convert it into PPT or PPTX, for example. So navigate to the PDF file, for example, a Word file on your device, upload it here. As you can see, I can't upload any files anymore because my daily limit has been reached. But if you can do this, guys, you will see the uploaded file here. Select the output file format there, which in this case would be presentation. So hover your mouse over it, select PPTX, click into options, and select the number of pages you would like to convert. So if your presentation, if your PDF document has a page range of 1 to 2, type in 1-2. Click into OK here. And then click into convert to convert the file into a presentation. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.